they organize their seminars, they organize their outreach. Normal spread the ABA, say ABA products to create awareness. They have donors that support them. Obien ho ye no kwa. Me otu ete hey. Top businessmen before they enter any venture BSU ade we abaso no nisika wa koshim no. Omanes financial aspects. Ebe brief no. The positives and the negative chances say nisika odi shim to do obenya returns and san was started. They don't just invest for. Na boja for ekwamito to someone to omusika ngusa akeke. So when we have an institution, a business like football, which people are making huge profits, they are making huge sums of money from football business. There's the case study of these academies. How much I say? Ghana is blessed with raw talent. So footballers are to born, and these academies will say fine. If they act as middlemen between transporting the raw talent, polishing kakra to suit the European marketer, after 4 or 5 years of investing, they will be billionaires. So when you say a venture, and your creative foundation is so handy, it's a business that people are making money. Okay. Then here we have those who are doing it at the premier level. But academies here can at the amateur level or the foundation level. Then we have those who are doing it at the premier level. And people want us to believe that we should accept, say, premier level, no dear. Yeah, boka. And those who are doing it are also quiet. Something fishy is ongoing there. Because are we not being conclusive? No, we are not being conclusive. Because for the element of common sense. Obi oboke bianko atumaton waton the frequency. Mr. To is a conclusion because I've been close to management of a radio before and I'm telling you so Obi and Oboka. You have been close to more than me. No to make out what the business is organ Aboka. Eventually the everybody say where you work exactly. You try to survive. Football. Yeah, be power. I do. Namuru. Tama deportivo. Sikabia amao. But you hope that when you play a bit, that hope alone. Emma Odeye. Namunya bin tonde. Oh, ma obenya baku back me just. No to season be pan at deportivo Anton player. No, but I'm saying that on a balance scale. Spend hoping that it will come. That is what investment is. That is what 3 or 4 hope is what amount for you so as the seed to start investment. A hope. So after you have invested, but the hope must come to reality. There are businesses that are not making profit. Business that are making profit on but they are put people fold up. Let's go to the reality. Deportivo they are okay. There is the hope that at the end of every season, Deportivo better players are clubs. They are doing it. I don't know because of football. There are a number of examples. Go and ask Mr. Setiebo. You do it hoping that BBC, but and that's scientific. But DDB, that's how football is. And the point some of us say, the point we are trying to make is that that hope must be sustainable. Oh yeah, come on, it's not like that. That hope must be. It's like that because that hope must come to bear. It must move from the stage of hope to the stage of reality. For instance, Obia started farming. Ghana has 20 examples of former football team. Which shouldn't be so. Oh, but it is. They sold their houses. They sold their properties. It's not easy as Obia and Juma Nyamba so be ton. What the radio station? Na so Nyamba so wa no so be meton. Na get ton kwa. Radio station. Oh, the radio station to best sound common because strategically the leadership will sit down and look at means they can reduce expenditure. Motonya book masem nani ho. Yeni wa company one year you workers edi. Yati workers, you workers edi. Was the program lineup. Was started turn air time. These are all measures people do to break even.
It is easy to sell an investment. Obi or the fact or tonke coming and you try to hold on. But
in trying to hold on, they put in measures to reduce the gap between losses. I'm
saying that people have ways of having that hope. Bonus. My radio station, you fire say about 10,000, 2,000, 3,000. There are several steps with the munya say that time they are recording losses. That's what I'm talking.
But the difference is that on Traoka, that is where we are coming at. Debbie, when they get to the stage where the losses are coming in, strategically you change things to reduce the losses. For instance, you start looking at staff. It has better staff. I'm so too. Programmer and fascist can but one year not their tomb or Thomas Sofo. That's what time people do things to reduce the cost. And NC your own stations are I see program your chum moto I see program your chum. So the point I'm trying to make is that when people establish companies and they are not meeting their expectations, they don't just sit down. They put in measures to reduce the losses. This is basic principle.
So football will reduce the losses
that is where we are expecting the clubs to come up and charge the leadership. Say,
leadership?
Mr. Two.
Which leadership?
Any kind of football association. How can they meet as a group? Because you are talking about losses affecting the businesses of other people.
The first point is that it's even not GFA there. They give you a level playing field for the business to be good for you to make profit. Near GFA also Mosca. That's so the clubs themselves, they are there. Minimum go for balance. I've not seen their accounts, but I'm saying that a lot of them are not making money.
Good.
But football is for several purposes. Football, especially. And your omunyana yes or more pesika. If you are more yes, 20 the people there. So almost they are no any profit no more pay. So be a samates. Almost source of funding, it's from the company. They are not making profit, they are fine.
Okay.
The fact that they are making their people happy, they are okay. If you are ghost sanity, if you are on a structure, who are at Doma, if you are another Doma, it is part of his kingdom. Sabi, Otum void is Asante Kotoko, Onyam Faso, why is still paying? So they have there that we have business, you for that because Opia reason why he has a football team. Opia origin, it's it's part of NMO Tum for a co-tum for him. And so over spending 7 million cities a month. Probably for time being, he doesn't care. He hopes that the baby. And then I said, let us not take Nana Kwami's keys to be that of all the clubs. What I say, if you make us say around the heart of lands, you don't know. For all you know, it is for the people of the area. Any beer will not support me, baby, no, it's in the crop. That's the point.
The point you are making is that when you enter a business as an association, Ghana Football Association, and you realize that majority of your members or investment in Asia,
I realize
clubs here say me. Say clubs some the former members. Majority of your members led by a leadership. No, most things are not going on well. What you do is that. How do we come together with policies, ideas to change the losses now, clubs now, see members from losses to profit? There should be that strategic plan. I say, Afibia query ya, yetikua. You had the welfare of our members. You will say, be a hairdressers association. Now, Mr. Tu, Afibia Besono, I want to koswa na yanko for swa. You come meeting a bedjini kwanya. You be forced to atotu your nyoma in such a way say a car ya dino a subete.
Go for some football because of passion.
Oh yeah,
Mr. Pobi mu.
Enra kura no.
As I'm supposed to say we feel for you and to go football. They know. Fawaz is giving an example of Mr. Setieboa.
Yeah.
So we need the story. So but football. Probably we may want to move on. But a lot of the people doing it. Ghana had it. Yet they are in it.
So ideally, was it that the result?
I don't know how much money they are making.
Let's go.
I don't know how much money. But Dr. Kwame is in the stadium. I'm sure he spent a lot of money on the clubs.
Of course.
He is a businessman. It be one of the things he wants to do.
I feel your money be a
football scanner when you have been starting best camera. Yeah, he doesn't care.
To say
he's fine.
To say yeah came to two.
It's okay.
See yeah, me find say UEFA and the financial fair play. Okay. And your money be a cover the idea of financial fair play by any business say.
Good.
They realize say football. Yes, you can have passion, you can have everything, you can have your money, you can spend one. But
well, you know, football business is different from other businesses.
Why should it be different? Why should it be different?
These
are theories that they are cake theories. So we need to change the mentality of the people. So we should change the mentality of the people.
That is what the
you cannot
players think.
Yes,
which is wrong.
How they see
which is wrong. It is wrong.
It doesn't change how they think.
In such a situation, the business will have no future.
Yes,
if you run your business with that mentality, say, yeah, to your sick gu kwa. That in for 2 times
whether it's sustainable or not. Or my idea is listening.
And then they may inquire anymore. That is not moving forward. So, Mr. Tory, should we accept that?
UEFA radio stations.
UEFA
radio station.
And people are folding. They are making measures. They are putting in measures to reduce cost. No to difference. Yes,
UEFA for realize say. Rich men. Almost sika. You can easily call them at the 4. Enya allow for the game. Omudo musika bishim. And enya started from somewhere. But yaba bedum pempen so bia zoto omo be realize say ba kufuo sika ene wadwuma wo ye no zoto say yetena ho ama saa ne ebeye na ebedu stage bi no say ni per 1 omo ni ho biem omo nsem sika ebi esote ana eba forma eventually ebe affected the bigger picture, which is football. Let's put measures in place. I did guide the clubs. It's here be a sometime. And because of your passion and your love for the game, or football club. And I'll do shame, and I win your returns. The company should be there and the individual should be there. Whilst the company is running, individual knows what to. Now that should be no set time. I win you are. Maybe I would team the egu because uniwa this kebab in the game. It's let's introduce maybe it's a financial fair play. Say they better check clubs no, and they should spend within their means. On say yeah problem no, there be no, you fair free throw, you fair free say. Say ushe your clubs na, zoto. Yemfa the 18 Premier League clubs on board the Ghana Premier League. Dodo say and a what proper football managerial structure to generate money. Aside FA no. Aside F any weakness, they are not doing well. Brekum Chelsea, you can once a minute, and an aquam interview. Loto, open my Brekum Chelsea for management structure, and look at positions and any paid or marshal. Now you show Mojumo, yes, at least based on positions near their momono, and what you man or more yana. How many clubs and a Bogana Premier League crana or more commercial managers? Every Crantiasia. Every Crantiasia. When you made the Crocker for a commercial manager. Yes, a two competent, a two but for we're not telling in a carpenter near you. Not telling a carpenter near you. Whilst elsewhere, it's not done that way. It's what we are trying to say in the same. ye kan nyina no utie ma asem America it started from somewhere eye bibia eye UEFA na started saade no enene wo hwa look at how football clubs are being run and yes clubs no mo nko bang nkwaje bosia te say na kwa America no bam so to say wo kompo akwaje bosia eso make sure say club ni wo sika bi e be generate e betimi a service bosia na akwaje no na say Real Madrid mo de ka oban Barcelona mo de ka oban. But the NTA we will accept them to compete in UEFA competitions and say the omudi kwasi a wo no so to ebi obo we sponsorship money bi bia 10 years and ebi ombenya 400 million euros ban pempen omo hia 400 million euros it was the 10 years e be bank as a guarantee na bank na tam 400 million euros na ma no it is our sponsorship money na eba no not the service loan no it and it that's so ho na sa ho to so ho say sika no magye no omo betimi atua but obaye hana ya fa football ne say te say the logical send the message ya wo kan say pokunti te say pokunti academy ya Caris academy ya pokunti ati nyame mfa sa ma o ebi ya o kina pokunti ni o academy na gu
this and the man free Switzerland ba
ebi kwana ne ma no mu ni interest
sorry ma
so tem chance Bekum Chelsea ye kan ho asemi ebi o kina bi na na kwame the business is asai
and Bekum Arsenal we
egu enti ye kan ni nyina no said ye kan UEFA de ne nhihye o di gu akwan mu no we also have a football association AGF I didn't pay for to ano e dey measures no mo put in place club license ne kwa ye kan ho asem no
Obakra de ne man tro de ba kwa na de
club license ye kan ho asem zoto ye were top clubs even club licensing e come be fa so am ya accept mo to be part of the club licensing ne kwa no bebre o mo ntimi ebi ni mi ameti Asante Kotoko but ye jane side ho o so mo ya no mo de letter ko ye mo time but ade no so ye compulsory because te say club license ye kan ho asemi aka for the buy no enyo mo be a club license ye na e similar to the financial fair play you need certain requirement before you can compete
structure no for example if you are board of directors check your expenditure part
yes
see ema ojuma within the setup you tell them how you bring money
yes
so what I say see you have they are smart people say when you have a structure a corporate structure that in itself a cutty waste and the sikaba tomorrow they be animal fine so you need see you but say on we are we be edin tie ka say yenkotua 3000 mo obi na mo mpa ye maya na makotua ndim go jam board bi anim ga say mo 3000
you have to justify it eti
and ye fa wadwuma wo mu a so on so you also check how you bring money tin about say see you go to the board and prove why you want
reason
to
why I say this is this scam and that's spend
the club lines alone is enough
eti ye dey no to the challenge I face ni say whilst at the end of that
yeah na nya efe ni bebre e ba area
no clubs no so kan clubs ne kan hwe se ase a me ma ko brekum da wa ko brekum da ba fa ko brekum da obeda ko brekum da me ma ko do ma
zombo no
ye nyina ya ko do ma obed
zombo no
bizoto
obi ambo me mse
ayi no mbo no na kan e
mse obi ambo mse to
oh ayi no mse bo no
to am say e ambo me
oh but you confirm it yana
no to man confirm asem am kind am dey mo say ma draw mo conclusion ba me dey when cast obi ambo
eti me ban sem bizoto beti hey na ebia mebese me koye mebese me ko market product bi e we bia brekum why will I choose ebia a radio station ahead of Brekum Chelsea I about one gamer otinya nipa 5000 e dey na me yesa reason ni say ansa na me nu ha menya me checks no mu sa de Brekum Chelsea ko yenye ni ye ti ade na ezem de mo ko bo mo but ebia me ko sign wo radio station a me ni so the structures here adwuma ade na ko air ye betimi monitor ma me example time na me ye happy man marketing manager say me ma Brekum Chelsea for sponsorship ebi ba Asante Kotoko has of full buy so to them say but when you sit down to discuss the esanyoma we are ebi wo ho a wa na de ko class no kura ntu na mo omunima de kro at the end of the business community in Brekum club like Brekum Chelsea to take advantage of it adentia Sheni padudu egu brekum.
I didn't why?
Yeah, because you don't appoint the right people. Ya for football ne say tisa Alhaji Yakubu Moro, nyame fa ne kransie. Emre bi me ne nua Wadus e de goalkeeper bi koma no. Na me so to ye duru ho na
Wadus o goalkeeper o.
Oh, so Wadus no manage players. Yeah. Na the player you call brekum. So to that was somewhere around by 2008 or 2009 there about. Na me so to ye call ye trans ye call Alhaji fi ye trans. So when ho no. O to Alhaji say o mon twa me na obi beto na ntwe ba na me ko giska na metwa maka.
O to an ntwe sign.
Yes. We obede no sustain you.
So is it good examples? You need to
so such
a good examples. I investment. Obi ba you want to venture into it.
Ebede na we. So ebede na we.
Setebo did that and o collapse here. Yawo and this is a bad example.
Ebede na
negative.
Ebede na we I so what me sustain no. Ye fa Asante Kotoko any example. And na here discuss it. And when you discuss,
supporters is omunye we. Obi kosia, ohini bi fro coach bi say my player bi mo. And also on pen and bufu ye. We will sit here. Ye pretty professionalism.
Yeah.
But we endorse those things they do.
Yeah.
How the Indian say, yeah, they say near no. So to sustain your position as the chairman of the club, you have to listen to them.
Yeah.
So what I say?
Yeah.
You have to listen to them. So everybody, it's not member some admit to say GF in Guan.
Yeah. The clubs apart.
There are things we should tell them. It's wrong.
No, I don't think.
Player be or was for abenti player be mobi. Enti. No.
As you say, GF for one.
Everybody, including
of course.
We know all the good things in Europe, but the Baha
a different.
We want to behave different.
A different.
And we be na cost no.
It's yemfa de ben to say Kotoko. Throughout the years, captain, Ekwabe the first of finance Kotoko. Supporters, I thought supporters Trimu say at every single point biano. I say this team domestic any. Team no sooner dey man sikani no, mizoto. Ye the team sikani ni say sikani ni mfa ni sika. Wabo bra, wanya no, mizoto emfa meye because ohina hye na nimonyam. Good, ohina hye na nimonyam. Sikani ni beba, mizoto, odne sika beba. Obe spending edu stage bi. Or spending do stage bi a. Siasia, na fe na be mo start ibu because returns are not coming. Afa won say enyoma start ye basa. Then an initiative bia ebeboa said the be club ne finances begina e bia ba ko bi obi akofa ba te se fabu census which enra ne discuss zoto fabu census ya ye kan ho asem yi like be a year and some months enra almost send yi ba me zoto fabu census generated like 1.7 million Ghana cedis with zero effort from the club, zero effort too. Sika oma generate since on the introduction of Abu census, 1.7 million Ghana cedis. Zero effort because say omo the effort to shema, I'm sure a bit 10 times by 10.
So
yes,
they have this, but omo
it's then we are going to appoint a management to work for the club. A good time appointment, there was no consideration to Fabu census. How you be move Fabu census to the next level? Yafa technical director, Yafa IMC chairman, ya the coach account, Yafa administrative manager. Yes, ohini di nisika ye. But ebia mizoto me no mi enuti he. Ohini ye nyina nim se nyoma egu ni so doso. Etimo ya di adwuma na hye nsa, se mo nya adwuma no. There are other areas you should also sit down because ebia ne na opem so tumfo se to ababio na pia o. Ebia na ni je ho se mizoto, ono ade ni sika be ya Asante Kotoko. Na dachi bi se anywhere. There be dachi bi anywhere. What will happen? It's what I'm trying to say. Say, what's ye can. Your clubs ne so you at fault. But ni nyina enkemfu ano. Because akoya association o mo join no. Eti ne ye leaders. You to see nyina yetia. See nyina yetia ye Ghana fo. But you do see ye hemra. de ama Ghana for so muni so nye nya na ko kire ya adwene o
suka ba ben
so ti dem kire ase nye nya na ko kire ya adwene o asembu wa otimi se ye kan Supreme Court pa unya nka be ka bi
da untimi nka
ba na no aka bi because ye shem ye yiyi nkofo de atoto nyoma no so mo nhwe no mo nhyehyɛ said there be a nyoma betimi akoso it's what I'm trying to say ni say one your clubs na at for two your FA no because and FA here wo say the most interested here to the FA no kwan ye be fa so do mo play akoshe national team no magoto no they don't care about the clubs
and nana kwa me mu dia no maka kire mpanyimfo no mdi o manyim
so to afi no aban di mu ho na ne ebe ho na ne kase as an association no, as clubs they must push agendas to transform themselves
members here or lament here or chere we mu chere we a kwan be so na we influence who became their leader so what I say when it came to the point where they had to choose a leader and answer nchom go share otamale omnya akoka ye nenye situation we na so it means that you have accepted the challenge so go ahead and deal with the issue
because
if you give an overwhelming 96-97% it just said the cost
manage
home so solve your problem it mean mama who said the omo pen no but what
so you want to accept the idea say people go to football business with passion, entertainment.
They don't think
not
about
to
it.
make that not to make money out of it.
You cannot take that out.
Not to break even. Not to even break even.
If you have followed football, where the actually probably seen there. Other teams. That's how it started.
Sana started, but approaching now Sana started.
And we have not moved on.
I see a movie.
Was other areas because
I'm out for
I see a movie there. Who doesn't know that? But I'm saying that. See a movie. Who should know that they see a movie?
If they don't know, we tell them.
If indeed, Obi spending 50 billion. Say, man is spending billion.
That is why Meme concludes something fishy is going on.
So we
then there's something fishy going on.
Menya sure say.
Probably.
Menya sure say. You will see Kenibu or Ghana how you football or Chamberlain. Menya sure say you will see Kenibu or Ghana how you football Chanston Cronky. Meboa. Glazer family, menya so see was Ghana how ye football draw. But some kofuya ye bo mudin. Me de Berlusconi be mu because Berlusconi star of running AC Milan those years now. Yoto na Milan edge trophies or motor all the best players in the game no. Time and football changing no. Berlusconi entime move with the new way as a football echo it eventually AC Milan SO5 but omo attach business to their passion because me to baby obi ade ni sika ko na nakoma wo baby obi ade ni sika no
omo how
no to no because sikana akofa dia bebo no sikana akofa dia bebo no
na se bia adwuma mo yesu man
sikana afa na kwame ebi o business o baby and o dey finance football club no baby a o yes business no nya sika be finance football club no e ho so na koma ho but e ho dey ade na wo ye business nya sika na se football no dey o sika be so biska eti I'm tempted to believe say ba afo asem na o ka no eye no kre because one mizoto your clubs here you can once me how many times and I yente hwe arewo sem we see Sunday yeah Saturday program or here Asante Kotoko us betu dwa na go stars a wobo home 3.90 Dreams FC our that league in to ono ye 1.87 aye nyina nim say match we there go stars
e wo form
omo form bebre omo de change Dreams FC ye bobo ni wie na ye draw
eno ase ne say
na we use them say chiro
me draw no chere say
obi anhye ne yonko
say na Dreams FC ire omo
eti ye closer to nsem na ne ye ka wa ha no ade me no me ye hu Dreams FC
nse to oskwa
am so to me no me ye hu Dreams FC and I keep asking myself say eti wan pa na te wa sebi o nyankopon ama na dwene o de dwene na RTU ni Dreams FC asem na esi ye no so to ubetimi atena se ahwe nyame anim aka che nipa dasani se saa de na omokoye no enye betin bo no mkoboy
enti so to